This is going to be a product review of a Teckin multi-plug outlet splitter. It is a mini cube. It is a power extender. We have two USB ports here that will deliver 2.4 amps. We have three outlets, 1, 2, 3, in this mini cube. Why do you need this? You need to use this if you are traveling on a ship. When you are on a ship, you cannot use power strips or extension cords. This is cruise ship compliant with all the major cruise ship companies in the world. When you are on a cruise ship, you cannot have surge protection and you cannot have a circuit breaker when you are powering anything. So you need to have something like the Teckin Power Cube extender so that you can power all your devices. You'll plug this into the ship's power. You get 3 power sources and your 2 USB ports, all in a nice, small, compact design. The case is flame retardant. The input is 125 volts, a 15 amp circuit. Your USB ports, 2.4 amps, 5 volts. Your rated power maximum for this whole unit is 1875 watts. You can purchase this on Amazon. I am going to leave a purchase link, an affiliate link, in the description of the video. Click on the link. It will take you directly to Amazon. For Canadian customers, I will also leave a Canadian link so that you can purchase it. This is perfect for powering your laptop, charging up your cell phone, powering your small current items on a ship. Compact design, made of flame retardant plastic, completely approved for use on a ship. Now on a ship, if the outlet is set with the ground pin upward, you might not have full access to everything. It just depends on the ship. But this is what you need if you are planning on connecting any power source on a ship. It is made by Teckin. The model PC31 wall plug adapter with USB ports.